Hello everyone, welcome to video number 3 of weekly chit chat. जब तक हमें कोई format नहीं मिलता, we gonna call it chit chat. Okay. So in last video we spoke about micro changes और उसमें कुछ चीज़ें जो हम चल रहे हैं and 21 days का progress will be out there when होगा and 21 days जब complete होंगे. But till this point, today's video we gonna talk about the micro part of that one habit which is about journaling, right? Although हमने mention किया था कि इसमें gratitude लिखेंगे and things to be grateful about लिखेंगे, but today I wanted to share a story that has stayed with me. So back in 2021 I was applying for a job which was absolutely unrelated to the background I came from, the work experience, the role, the industry. So it was a complete 360-degree change that I was about to make. And I had prepared all the data points, understanding my resume. I never lie on resume, so that has been a plus point. But to understand and how to present it is a skill, right? So you prepare yourself with expected questions कि तुम्हारा work experience क्या है, तुम्हें ये job क्यों चाहिए, तुम ये role में क्या करोगे, and all of that. And because I was making those 360-degree changes, so I was in my head, I was very well prepared that these are the answers that I was expecting. Now, it's a Tuesday or Wednesday evening, 5 p.m. My interview round number 3. This person joins the call and very relaxed, makes it very easy, hi, hello, very conversational vibe rather than the interview vibe, and it's a virtual call. Now, the very first question he throws at me was, so Kritika, tell me what Kritika does, why she does. And I'm like, huh? I mean, I took a second to process the question because this wasn't about just the role or the company, but genuine curiosity of my decision making process, the understanding of my own decisions or the thought process. At least that's what I thought, interpreted that question as. Took a pause, took a second to breathe, just prepared it in my head and shared it with. Then the conversation just went in the flow because I chose to be genuinely myself, and I think that was what was expected out of that interview / conversation. It worked out really well for me, but what stayed with me was the question, the person who asked in that very context. And that day I realized that what helped me was the journaling. Partly my answers were around the profile that I had chosen myself for or applied for, but I did walk him through the kind of a person I am and the kind of decision making that I do around it, and why do I think that this is a right place for me to be. So now when I look back, I kind of can connect the dots that how journaling, although it started as a medium of just pouring out my thoughts on paper or to get something out of my system, I figured journaling helps you to understand your own thought processes, your own belief systems, your own patterns, your way of decision making, and at times when you're curious about it, you question your own set of belief systems and try to change it given the change in the inputs, right? So this has been my experience so far. So yeah, I am not selling something as a productivity hack या फिर this is gonna change your life, but it certainly has improved my life in many ways. I urge you to be curious about it. Like, if you don't believe in it, fine, just take out 5 minutes and sit with pen and paper and just see. Do it for a few days and figure if this helps a lot or not. Things may or may not work for you, but study says that it always does. So I invite you to come with a curiosity and give this a shot. And talking about why, my personal take is that journaling helps you make intentional. Like you become at least aware, if not conscious, of your own choices. because you start with, why am I doing what am I doing? Like, if you pour down your thoughts, you kind of segregate between how you're feeling and what are the facts. And that has helped me to understand that at times your emotions overpower over the circumstances, you know. So this is my previous year's journals, and this is my current year journal. I've been on and off lately, but today I'll start again. Now that you are here with me till so long, let me read out something from my previous year's journals. I hope कुछ आड़ा टेढ़ा ना आ जाए, but yeah. This says things I'm grateful for. Finding my voice, what I truly feel and think about things. Something that I cannot read here. So let me just put something. This is, I think, from I think that I was reading or watching some podcast and उसमें से कुछ notes लिया हुआ है, which says start participating in storytelling. This is also one form of storytelling only. Ignite the curiosity to learn, understand, listen to the people with involvement. ध्यान से सुने, acknowledge, सवाल पूछें. अंदाज, लहजा, emphasize on what, and active listening is important. Between under and overconfidence is learning and opportunity to grow. अगर आप नहीं बोलते तो अपनी कहानी के भी हीरो नहीं हो. I'm sure this is something that I was watching from Zakir Khan's podcast interview or something like that. What else? Okay, the very first page that says 7th December 2021. Apply science and planning and art in execution. ये किसी का तो कोड होगा, बट मैंने नीचे लिखा है VCM in retro, one of my senior in previous organization. So yeah, I think that's it for today. So I hope you give this a shot. Something that is from my heart and running in my mind so far, so these days. So I hope this helps. See you in the next video. Bye.